Here's a Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and get started. You have to first pop up the trunk, and once the trunk is open, right over there is the light. What we have to do is just slide this light inwards, and you can do it with your finger, but having a small flathead screwdriver like this helps. See how I'm able to slide it? Good. So you can use a screwdriver, so put it right there and then slide it inwards, and when you do that, it's gonna pop out because there's just one plastic clip that's holding it in place. Let's just get the light out and I'll show you where that clip is. It may take a few seconds to wiggle the light out of there because there's not a whole lot of space over there. Now once it's out, that's a small plastic clip. Now press it over there with a screwdriver and get the lens off of the light, and off it comes. That's how the lens goes on the light with a little slot over there. Now first thing we'll do is just grab the screwdriver and loosen up the bulb a little bit. Just push it in over there, wedge it over there, like loosen up the bulb, and then grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 194. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And now go ahead and just simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. Good. And now let's put the lens back on. Just align it the way I'm showing with the little slot over there in the lens, aligning over there with the tab, and then slide it on. And this is how the orientation of the light and the lens is. See how it goes at a bit of an angle? This is how it should look when it's locked in place. Now this side with the plastic clip, where my right handed, that side goes in first. Press down on that side and then push down the other side. So the side with the plastic clip goes in first, press or down on it and continue pressing it down while you get the other side in there. Once it's in, just try moving it. It's not coming out, so that's good. And now let's just go ahead and try out the light, see if it actually works. Turn this on. Let's see. Alright, and it's working. That's looking very good. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.